Alright, here we come to the elevators at the Sheraton Imperial Hotel in Raleigh, North Carolina by the Raleigh-Durham International Airport. These are Westinghouse elevator, still original as of today. The music in the lobby was audible enough that it is painfully impossible for me to drown it out by talking over it, so I had no other choice than to mute the audio. These are Westinghouse elevator from 1986. Again, I do apologize for having the audio muted. And now we're good. I'm sorry that I have to mute the audio for a sec because the music is playing pretty loudly, so drowning it out was nearly impossible to do. There's a view out there, look at that. Anyways, we're gonna end the video on 2 and we'll get another elevator car. These elevators still haven't been touched since I was last here. These are Westinghouse, some type of AE fixtures. Alright, I'm gonna send this up and then we'll get the other elevator car. The lanterns don't even work. Actually, we're gonna start from the lobby level and then we'll go up to the top. All right, go to 10. Floor indicator is completely burnt out. I hear the dinner bell. There's a view out there. Alright, I guess we'll end the video down at 1. It's just like the other one. This feels like atoms. These kind of do feel like Adam indeed. Adam's fixtures. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here so I don't have to drown over the music. Anyways, that'll be it.